I never told, don't plan on telling you how I'd forgive you if you asked me to. Is it more harm than good if I conceal those hopes for the never know?
As usual, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I'm going to go ahead and put in some Hawaiian Silky to give it some moisture and spread that all over my hair.
And let it go.
Some coconut oil, also adding in some more moisture while I keep it in this protective style.
No, I can't.
Now I'm going to start parting my hair so that I can two-hand twist it. I'm not braiding my hair. I do not like to braid my own hair. I am twisting it down for this crochet style.
I don't wanna take the chance to have just a piece of you, all or nothing at all. You made it clear that you ain't feel the same. If you do now, you're just a little too late. The trust I had is dissolved and I won't fall into the space that it was, 'cause it was too much. Don't wanna regret, but it's better than no rejection. No, I can't take a taste and a takeaway. I wanna eat all my cake. I just want it all or nothing at all, at all. I don't wanna take the chance to have just a piece of you, all or nothing. 2020 lacking, I can't see that far, but I can read between the lines. You wanna.
Okay, my hair is completely twisted. I'm going to just add in some shea oil, again, to add in additional moisture and keep it moisturized for the month I expect this style to be in. Going in with a crochet cap. And the hair I'll be using is the Model water curl hair in 14 inches. I'll go ahead and say that I should have cut this hair in half. I ended up cutting so much off in the end that it wasn't worth it for me to keep this 14 inches, especially in the back of the hair. And you'll see what I mean at the end when you see the finished style. I cut so much off of this hair because it frizzed up so much once you separate the pieces. So I would suggest, if you want to keep this hair long, not to separate the pieces. I used 1.5 packs of hair for this, and it covered my entire head, and it was very full with me splitting the pieces. So I know without splitting the pieces, you will need at least 2 packs, but it will also be a very full style of hair. This hair lasted me about a month and a half, with me having to do a lot of maintenance with trimming the hair. You'll see I'm going around and do my edges first before I fill in the remainder of hair.
So don't you change, and you'll get what you're searching for. I'll take it over. Know that this time I won't. Cause I know you want answers, answers to those, but I don't know what's in store. So don't you change, and you'll get what you're searching for. Cause I know
So this is the next day when all of the hair is in. I've already cut just a little bit off at this point because I had to go to work, but now I'm going to cut the rest. I ended up cutting, like I said, a good bit of hair off. And this is what it looks like now. Took most of the frizz out. I did want to show you what the hair looked like the first day I did it before I had a chance to cut it, and just how thick and big the hair was with a pack and a half. And this is the final look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what style you'd like to see next.
Don't you change and you'll get what